Let's try this one maybe? This is the same problem we had last time, and I'm pretty sure it's because we were using relative, not world. Aha! I saw you move. Oop. So we got the beginnings of one of these guys. We just gotta make it a little bit further out. Let's see. Boop. 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 Okay, cool. The thing is it's going a little too fast. I'm thinking most people won't be able to make it in 1 second's time. Okay, now let's actually try to play it. Now, what I want to see is, yay, that worked! So, like, boom! Now we have what is effectively totally not a Mario plant guy. I mean, of course, this thing doesn't spit fireballs or anything like that, but, you know, whatever. Can't have everything. But we can have spike pits and pipe bushes. Yeah. It actually wasn't that difficult to make overall. So, I'm going to run through what we did here to make this. Started off with a viewport, have the static mesh cylinder. We've got a bush that we start off inside of the cylinder. For this type of enemy, that makes sense. And then we've got a collision box that is parented to the static mesh of the bush. We go over to the event graph, set an event begin play node with a timer that is looping, give it a name, and then give it a time. I chose 5 seconds to make sure the player has plenty of time to make it over the thing, but that if they decide to screw around, it's still going to kill them. I set the original location, which actually I don't even believe we're going to need anymore. Yeah, this actually is now obsolete, so we're not even going to need that. Boop. So all we need is set timer. Right here, we've got it set up to where if the player collides specifically with the collision box that's tied to the bush mesh, it'll cast to the side scroller character. If yes, it destroys the actor. There's a function that we set up a while back inside of the player character that when it's destroyed, we reset the level. And then we come over here to the move up timer function, which runs a vector or a float timeline. I decided not to use the vector timeline, but it won't let me delete it for whatever reason. I'm gonna have to check that at work. And then it runs the timeline on update, set the world location, not the relative location. And you get a v-interp between the actor location and the actor location plus 200. And that's when you get the totally not evil plant guy. Whee! That destroys you. It's just yet another thing we can throw into our arsenal of stuff that we are giving to this level that we're building here. And hey, Alex, thank you for joining us tonight. Great to see you. Whoa. There we go. That's correct. Giant form. Not giant form. Okay. Oh, what else could we do? We've already got that. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, simple thing. Where is my side-scroller character blueprint? Alright. Coin pickup. I'm going to add a branch after this. Extra life. I'm going to set up an extra life system. Now, of course, I'm going to make it on a much smaller scale than you would typically use in a game, just to kind of show off how easy this is. If coin amount is greater than or equal to, let's say, 5. Typically, you'd want this up to somewhere like 100. Extra life. Plus 1. And then we're going to come into our widget, wherever that is. That would be right here. And let's do a text block. It says lives. I'm going to change that to green. Then another text block right here that is also green. Roughly the same color green because I didn't get the hex code for it. I'm going to bind that. Get player character, cast to third person. Oh, side scroller character. Get extra life. Oh, and set coin amount to 0. Or actually, we'll do, just to make sure it's accurate. -5. So, what we've got this doing is every time you pick up a coin, it's going to go through and check and say, okay, is your coin amount greater than 5? Oh, yeah, it is. Or greater than or equal to 5. If it is, it's going to give you an extra life, and then it's going to take 5 coins from your coin amount. So kind of like in the old Mario and Sonic games where you hit 100 coins, it gives you a life, and then you lose those 100 coins and you start again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, we got a coin. Or we got a life. Got 2 lives. And what's great is with the lives, we can come in here. So got this here. That's our die rolling system. Dead. Okay. We actually need to change this. We need to spawn actor from class. Oh wait, actually we have to get all actors of class, player start. So we need to get the player start. For each get location. Get rotation. Nope, not rotation, rate. Rotation. Spawn. And possess. Oh. So this may work. If dead, get all player starts for each loop, which we only have 1 player start, so it'll only run this once. Get the actor location, get the actor rotation, spawn transform of side scroller class character, possess. Let's see if this works. Is it at least doing the whole... Oh, hey. Hey, buddy. Well, that's interesting. It did what I wanted it to do, but not where I wanted it to do it. Suppose I should actually get a player start and maybe